What happens when you combine two of the most powerful technologies of our time, artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency? Right now, AI and crypto are merging in ways that could totally reshape how we invest, how we trade, and even how entire financial systems work. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how AI is changing DeFi and how you can position yourself early before the world catches up. First of all, let's break down why this combo is so powerful. AI is great at analyzing massive amounts of data and making predictions. Crypto gives us decentralized finance, DeFi, meaning we don't need middlemen like banks. Put them together, and you get smarter, faster, decentralized financial systems. Imagine having an AI assistant that can automatically move your crypto investments to wherever the best yield is. Imagine using AI to spot scams before anyone else does. Or even Ash negotiating smart contracts with other Ash. Sounds crazy. It's already happening. Let's look at how AI is already being used in crypto and DeFi today. 1. AI-powered trading bots. Platforms like Numerai, Fetch.ai, and Singularity DAO are leveraging AI to help investors make smarter trades. These bots can process thousands of market signals faster than any human and adjust trades accordingly. 2. Risk assessment in lending protocols. DeFi lending platforms need to evaluate if someone is risky to lend to. AI can analyze blockchain data, past loan repayments, and more to automatically set better loan terms. 3. Fraud detection. With so many scams in crypto, AI systems are being trained to automatically detect suspicious wallet behavior, flagging transactions before damage is done. 4. Predictive analytics for yield farming. Yield farming involves moving your crypto to different protocols to earn interest. AI can predict which farms might offer the best rewards next week based on data patterns. There are already some impressive projects leading the AI and crypto space. Ocean Protocol focuses on decentralized data marketplaces powered by AI. Users can sell or buy data for AI models in a secure, privacy-focused way. The Graph, GRT, while not exactly AI, it helps AI by providing organized blockchain data, like an indexing system for Web3. Singularity Net, AGIX, one of the pioneers combining decentralized AI services on the blockchain. You can build or use AI tools in exchange for tokens. Fetch.ai, building autonomous AI agents that interact with blockchains and automate DeFi activities like staking and liquidity providing. So why does all this matter? Because AI makes DeFi smarter, better decision-making without emotional trading. Faster, automation reduces the time and energy spent on managing your portfolio. More profitable, AI can spot opportunities that humans might miss. Safer, automatic scam detection before money is lost. Of course, we've got to talk about the risks too. 1. Black box problem. Sometimes, AI makes decisions we don't fully understand. Would you trust an AI with thousands of dollars if you don't know exactly how it works? 2. Security. What if hackers target the AI algorithms themselves? That's a whole new attack vector we need to defend against. 3. Regulation. Governments are just starting to figure out crypto, add AI to the mix, and things might get messy with laws. So while this AI crypto space is exciting, it's not without its risks. As with any investment, do your research. So here's my honest take. AI and crypto are on a collision course and it's going to change finance forever. The tools we're seeing now are just the beginning. If you're into crypto long term, I'd say keep an eye on this trend. Maybe start by looking into projects like Ocean Protocol or Singularity Net to learn more. Don't invest blindly, but learn now while it's still early. Thanks for watching, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Stay curious, stay smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.